Sport. It's the only way to drive this car. That was embarrassing. It was so anti-climatic. Falling in. The class, it starts at 6. It's about to be 6. I got 20 minutes to get there. I'm gonna put the title, Rushing to School. I've been seeing so much of those videos on my YouTube. Rushing to a dinner. Rushing to this, rushing to that. I bet I'm rushing too. Rushing, not rushing. Rushing. I'm in a rush. Damn, look at this traffic. I got 20 minutes to get to class. And the traffic, how that traffic looks the same way that way, so one can only hope, right? Make sure my camera right, cause man, if imagine I'm recording, I don't even get a good shot. It should be good. But I'm so tired from work. My sleep schedule right now is so cooked. Damn. White lightning? Nah, I'm not gonna white lightning. Stop playing. I'm not nasty like that. I will cut them off though. I'll do that. I don't know how those guys in New York, that's why they be cutting up like crazy in New York. I don't know how those guys be cutting up like that. I'd be scared. You're basically like forcing yourself through. I don't know. Some people cut up nasty, but some other people, like I still don't cut up. Like you honk, you get stuck, you start honking, like, I don't know. Some people good at it, some people force themselves to be good at it, if that makes sense. Like if you're good at it, you're good at it. If you're not, you're not. Gotta slow down. It's a speed trap. Damn, it's a red light and there's hella cars. Damn, they're gonna all stare at me with this camera on my head. This is embarrassing. Not embarrassing, but do I just stare back at the people in the other cars? Well, I could do a poo though. Damn, but the camera's right there. Never mind. Those intrusive thoughts almost got me. Ain't gonna lie. But I don't think the camera reaches over around these trees though. Damn, I gotta stop doing pools in this car. No bueno. I wanna get an oil catch can. I need to get one of those. It's one of those miles you don't want to really like get, but it's like something, it's like well worth it, you know. Look at my phone. Is my phone cooked? I need to get a new phone. Damn, that dude's gonna throw himself across the street like that. Crazy. Oh yeah. Oh. But you remember how I said I was gonna do a pool? I'm gonna do a pool right here. Like bad. Let me just do my thing. The last pool for the week. It's what, Wednesday? I'm not doing another pool till next Monday. I wonder what they're building. If I didn't work in what I was working in now, I'd probably do construction, but for like commercial like that. I've worked in construction residential, it was kind of boring. Damn. Fast speed bump. My butt. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, the car, I don't know if it was me, but that car was going a little sideways. No. I'm so bad. That's embarrassing. Like, imagine going so fast and just to end up like at the same, like the dude behind me is the dude next to me. He's like, look at this guy. Bro think he's driving a race car. It's my race car. Oh, look at that G. It's kind of flat, but it's kind of nice. I can see the vision. I ain't gonna lie, that was a good launch though. Not like I gotta replay the video myself and watch it, but that felt nice. Like the transmission wasn't like being pissy or nothing. Because with these Q50s, when you try to like shift, especially like in manual mode, if you don't shift at the right RPM, I'm telling you, it's like it gotta be at the right spot. It got like a G spot. If you don't hit that right spot, it feels weird. It like jerks like that, and it don't feel good. You gotta get that when you shift, you gotta get that shift just right. But I'm telling you, every shift was good though, so it felt nice and you feel me? Oh man, look at this guy. Bro saw me doing a pool. Now he wants some smoke. Get lost, buddy. Nah, it was a nice Civic. He came up on me so aggressive. Damn, he's on that. He's on that. Damn, the other dude's still behind me. I'm not gonna make a clown of myself. This is embarrassing. I want like a B58 though, you know? That'll pipe it too. Pop, 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 pop. Like, I feel like that would like, I wouldn't care. I'd go high RPM. Like, you see how much space I got right here? Well, there's a little bit less. Like, push that car more forward. Like, if I had more space, like, but it was the smallest. Yeah, never mind. That's not nice. He did not cook with that one. I'm not even hating. Look at that orange rims. I'm saying, like, if I had a B58, you know, that. And then stop, you feel me? And then I'm chilling. What does his rims even say? Speed Hunters? Oh, that's from Need for Speed. Speed Hunters is from Need for Speed. Damn, I made it in time. Damn, that pool really helped me. I got here quick, 5:47. I'm chilling. I have this towel in here for because when I get out of work, so I just, you know, put the towel on my seat so I don't dirty it. I don't know about y'all. I want to work. Y'all probably have a work vehicle. I don't. I want one though. Like, I guess like a beater car. Car I could just get in, get out, get in, get out. Crank up, put it in drive automatically after crank, like, you know, in the cold start, just take off. Need some oil, it's cool. Put some Gatorade in it. Power steering low, put some water, you know, chilling. Police? No boy, no. Damn. I've been doing a lot of POV drives. I mean, it's like the most convenient thing for me to, like, I don't know. I like videos like this, so that's why I'm making videos like this. I like watching videos like this, so that's why I make videos like this. But if y'all want to see something different, y'all let me know. Let's see if I can get a comment. I barely get comments on my videos. I don't even know how much people will still be watching, like, till the end. But let's see if we can get, like, some comments, see some suggestions of other videos y'all like to see, because I really do it for real. If y'all just let me know. Give me like that, what's the word? That sign. Yeah, I'm about to replay that. I don't like redlining my car. Oh That scares me. Oh, I forgot there's a police right there. Let's go back to regular speed. I'm just going to class. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. I'm just going to class. Damn, I got to get in that lane. Shut up. Let me in. People be so stingy with this spot. Let me in. But that car better stay where it's at. Cause I'm just going to school for real. But I'm telling you, that Civic gonna be right behind me. And that's why I find like doing stuff like that so pointless. Like, hence to like if you're trying to get something quicker, cause they're not gonna really do much. Like, you see this little Civic right there, I did all that for nothing. But if it just, I guess it just comes down to like if you like I guess like a car enthusiast, a car guy, like me myself, I like to feel like, you know, going fast. Not fast, you know, speed limit. Damn, I be seeing people blur their speedometers. I've been going speed limit. You feel me? I've been going speed limit, like, oh shit. I've been going speed limit, but I wonder what's the real main reason why people's like blur their speed out? Is it so that they can't get in trouble? Like if their videos get leaked or something? Yeah, I'm really putting myself on the spot right now. This is AI generated for real. AI videos. So what it is, like, there's an AI app. You basically like wear a camera like how I am right now, and it basically just generates the video, but you driving it normal, and basically it just replicates it, but it shows it like actually like a racing game. That's what I use for it. What is this traffic, dude? This traffic's outrageous. Outrageous, but I'm gonna end the video right here because I'm about to go to school. I'll record another video tomorrow. Like I said, I've been trying to upload daily, so we're gonna get there. I've been just taking care of a lot of stuff, and you know, why that do move forward? Bro, people on this video are crazy. You know, I've been dealing with stuff and, you know, personal stuff and this and that, but I'm gonna try to record more. I'm just not trying to make excuses. But it mean a lot to me if y'all could like and subscribe. Like subscribe. Like y'all better like subscribe, bro. Like before I used to be like subscribe if y'all want. Nah, y'all better subscribe. I'm not even playing no more. Y'all better subscribe, but I'll let y'all go. I'll see y'all in my next video. Which should be tomorrow, but yeah, I'll let y'all go.